Several legitimate reward apps let you create an account with just an email address or a supported sign-in method, although some may request a phone number later for account security or identity verification. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reward apps that typically don't require a phone number during sign-up and what to expect before cashing out. The first app is eFreeCashing. You can register using an email address or supported login option and immediately begin earning through game offers, surveys, and online tasks. A phone number isn't usually required to open an account, although verification may be requested later if needed for security. Next is InPayChart. Fetch rewards users for scanning shopping receipts and purchasing eligible products. Creating an account is simple, and a phone number isn't generally required during registration. If additional verification is ever needed, the app will guide you through the process. Third is AnyCashGiraffe. Android users earn rewards by playing featured mobile games. The app typically allows new users to get started without entering a phone number during account creation, making it easy to begin earning immediately. The fourth option is JustPlay. JustPlay rewards users for playing games from its library and redeeming eligible earnings through supported payment methods. Most users can start using the app without providing a phone number upfront, although verification requirements can vary depending on account activity and payout method. The fifth app is Scrambly. Scrambly lets users earn rewards by completing partner game, offers, and online tasks. Registration is generally quick and doesn't usually require a phone number. As with other legitimate reward platforms, additional verification may be requested before certain withdrawals. Here's the part that's easy to misunderstand. No phone number required usually applies to creating your account, not necessarily to every feature. Many trusted reward apps add security checks later if you change your payment information, recover your account, or request certain withdrawals. That's done to protect users and reduce fraud, not to make registration more difficult. Before signing up, check the app's supported payment methods and account verification policies. If keeping your registration simple is your priority, choose platforms that let you start earning with just an email address and complete additional verification only if it's actually needed. FreeCash, Fetch, CashGiraffe, JustPlay, and Scrambly all make it easy to begin earning without asking for a phone number during the normal sign-up process, while still maintaining security when required. If this comparison helped you find a reward app with a simpler registration process, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best money-making apps for 2026.